Ia Syiem Elizabeth jongkar Bilat kabar klat no akakandai tarik mentau menai on tap akakandai tarik jong nai luar arajar apuar katakalong adin shosngi adu bakal klat no. Aban kada hang neb ka di Syiem kabalas ni charge lam bhai ka Bilat haka bakal syang akakhet adu nyo fosnem. Hadin ke jingyap ke jongka kat kumka rukom ke dustur jongkar Bilat ya kamet ke jongka lawan ra apa Buckingham Palace. Bana syua mentep ya karu kari Bilat kari ke babat ma ya kariti ke dustur ka bada penbaik baginan shibun kijing penbaik bar kijing le kat kum kariti ke dustur ya ka bakari Bilat kalabut naduk ke spas nem ke baman syua. Dagari kijing klano jangan dekat Syiem uprin Charles menta ulah cimti ke Syiem jong kari Bilat. Markelok jo uka Kamila kan lang no kamahadai. Haka kala tarik dia kamet jong kalawan na po Scotland po Buckingham Palace.
Da soberana que reinou 70 anos no Reino Unido.
Johnny Wells, the stars.
Oh no. Oh.
Onde estou?
Kari Bilat adu baklat kan dekat Syiem kala bun kam haka bagi pai ba man la kasni kilek ban ai khublei khadu ya Syiem. But adi market ya kamet yap jong kara po Buckingham Palace pai ba kel ap adu ko por sitang miet wada pedeng kajing ther jong Islam ru. Nakaliang wei ni kirang ba khasi u Dr. Bremly lingdo uladan po Buckingham Palace haka ba ula pharu sau sangat upata ya kan ka video ka ba ulu ring akapor bawan ra ya kamet jong Syiem siapa Buckingham Palace menin kasni. Dr. Bremly du samra khasi uba sam besar.
So here we are in Buckingham Palace, and the body of the Queen has just arrived, flew in on Royal Air Force transport aircraft into RAF in Norfolk, and it's been driven here to the Buckingham Palace, and thousands of people were waiting for her to arrive, and this is a very historic movement to be here, and it's raining, but people waited for her to arrive. This is Bremly signing off from Buckingham Palace. So the palace gates are still open. No one can get out of this island. We're still stuck here. It's great to just pay our last respect to the Queen. The coffin arrived from Scotland. It was flown into RAF Norfolk and driven to Buckingham Palace. And the official state funeral is going to be on Monday, the 19th of September. And about 100 heads of states and government are expected to be in London for the official state funeral. This is Bremly signing off from Buckingham Palace.